Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. This is the 2021 RAV4. This morning I was working on few cars here at home. Then my wife and the kids went to church. When she come back, because this is parking in the garage at all times. When she come back, soon as she parked, I opened the door and I noticed a dent in here. So while she was at church, somebody hit her. I don't know if you're gonna pick this up. Right here on the driver door, there is a black mark from the door when they open the door. Probably you can see it right there. So that's the scratch. And see if you can see it from that angle, you can see right there the dent. I'm gonna remove that dent later on. I don't worry about that right now because I just have to remove the panel from the inside and see if I have access to this area. I don't know if the glass is gonna be on my way. I need to search into that. So I'm not gonna do that today, but I'm gonna take advantage of this because the RAV4 is really nasty. I don't wanna wash it. It's really windy and the pollen here in Georgia is crazy heavy. So I don't wanna wash it and it's gonna get full of pollen as soon as I finish washing it. I'm gonna focus on this door right now. So I'm gonna wash this door. Then I'm gonna use clay bar. After clay bar, I'm gonna use iron remover. I'm gonna remove all the iron and then I'm gonna polish the door. But yeah, you can have nice things in here. So first things first, it's gonna be a wireless wash. Get all the door out. So the good thing about this is I can show you the whole process like I do in the whole car, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of clay bar, which I did before, iron remover, and then polishing. I'm gonna touch a little bit about everything in this episode. I have different options. That's not a big scratch. I can remove it even with wax. But in this case, I'm gonna use this one, the VSS. I have my conditioner pad, clay bar, iron remover, few pads, and my polisher. The yellow pad is gonna be a heavy duty cutting pad. The white one is gonna be a light medium polishing pad. And the orange, which I always use, the medium heavy cutting pad. I might use today, I'm gonna start with this one. If I don't see a lot of imperfections being removed, I'm gonna move into the medium. Alright, so now that we have the surface clean, I'm gonna do a little bit of clay bar, and probably with the clay bar alone, I can remove that scratch. Thing is gone. Yeah, it wasn't that bad. The only problem now is the denting here, but yeah, the scratch is gone just with the clay bar. Iron remover, spread into the surface, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, then you can use a towel, scrub it on, and apply water to remove everything. It's gonna remove iron deposits from the paint, make sure that everything is clean and ready for polish. Glove works too. Don't let this sit on direct sunlight and don't let it dry on your paint. After 3 minutes, I don't see any iron deposits. It didn't turn purple. Just few little spots here and there. Nothing big, nothing major. I'm gonna throw water in it. with my light on, see if you can see the scratches in the paint. I can see the scratch that they just made right here, and I don't know if you're gonna catch everything on camera, but let me see. You see that reflection in there? Okay, few scratches, nothing major. This is a 2021, so the paint job is pretty much new, but I'm gonna see if I can compare it, the before and after. You can see right there with my light. When you apply this for the first time, I like to spread some into the pot, have more product into the pot and more lubrication. That's key. Okay, once I apply that, and then 2 sprays of this pot conditioner. I'm gonna start here on the middle first, where it was the damage. I'm gonna start on low setting just to spread the product around, and then move my speed to probably 4 or 5. It doesn't look really bad. I'm just gonna do one more pass, making sure that we cut into the clear coat and everything looks good and without any scratches. Okay guys, I finished the door. So if you remember the reflection, all those scratches, they're gone. I don't see anything now. No scratches. Paint looks flawless now. I'm gonna end up doing now a wax. I'm just gonna wax the door and call it a day. But you see how we remove the scratches? It looks really good now. Paint looks great now, just with 2 passes of the VSS and the white pad on my 15D8. And after the wax, you can see the end result. No more scratches. Paint just look way too good. And if you want to spend more time on the paint, you can use, after the polish, you can use one of these glaze. You can use this one or wet mirror finish. After that, you can use jet seal to seal the paint, and at the end, use the bottle wet wax. But I'll leave it with that. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.